Hello students, I'm just coming back I just came back with the last type of sentence, that is the exclamatory sentence. Okay, so what is the sentence pattern? First you need to know the sentence pattern, that is alas, hooray, ah, bravo. Then so many other things are there that we call exclamatory, means that give us the strength to express our feelings. Exclamatory sentence basically where we express our feelings, and some word definitely we use for the for explaining it. And this type of word you have to use with the exclamatory sign, you know very well, and plus assertive sentence. Okay, plus assertive sentence. So first example 1, alas, my pet is dead. Alas, don't you say that alas, my pet is dead. Alas is a symbol of grief, means you are not happy with, you are sad. So alas, my pet is dead. Number 2 is coming. Bravo! You played very excellent. Bravo means excellent. I'm tapping your back. You have played very well. Like you are playing in your inter-house competition. So bravo! You played excellent. Okay. And number C. I can't understand. Sometimes it happens. So then we are telling that I can't understand. Now you can understand that here I have written exclamatory words, means that few words that we are using for explaining our feelings, that plus assertive sentence. If I just cover this portion, okay, alas, bravo and then my pet is dead. This is a assertive sentence. This is an assertive sentence. Then you played excellent, assertive sentence. Then I can't understand. That is also assertive sentence. Now I think it is clear to you that what is the pattern of exclamation. There is another type of exclamatory sentence that I have written here with how, what, this type of things. These type of things, what a nice bird it is. How happy you are. Particularly for this type of sentences, we are not using this few exclamatory words that is giving expression. We are using the what and how instead to express our feelings. Okay, what a nice bird it is, means I am praising the beauty of the bird. Now here bird is underlined because bird is the subject here. Okay, bird is the subject here, and it also refers to the bird. It means here the bird. Now the second sentence, see the second last one, that how happy you are, means I am very happy that someone with me is there, and he or she is very happy. Now I am telling how happy you are, means I am very happy to see you glad. Okay, so here you is underlined, means you is the subject. So one thing that you have to notice, that is and are, these two things, is and are, these two things, these are the verbs. So for interrogative sentence we have seen that verb is coming basically before the subject. Okay, and for interrogative exclamatory sentence, when we are using what, how, this pattern, basically verb is coming after the subject. Okay, for today I think this much is enough. Okay, sorry. So you have to go through these things very carefully. Listen, the portion is not very small, though I have made a video. If it was a class, then I can elaborate something else. But the things are very easy and as well as complicated, you can say. If you take the things grammatically, structurally, it will be very easy. Okay, see the video again and again, it will be helpful for you to understand. I will give you the picture of your book, means the chapter photos. From there also you can read, you will find out so many examples. From there you can also analyze the pattern, whatever I have said, whether these are similar or not, you can find out of yourself. Okay, and after watching the videos, if you are facing any problem, then let me know, please. I will definitely clear it again, because these things you from now, as you are just in senior section now, you are going further, so you have to know the grammar from the basic to in elaboration, because otherwise you can't frame a sentence properly. That is the basic problem. You can't write properly the few things because you don't know the structure. So I started from the beginning so that it will be helpful for you. From next year we will start the transformation portion, that how to transfer a sentence into another type of sentence without changing the meaning. So for now I think this is enough. Hope you are very happy to see me here, because you are basically watching me after a long time. So till then, take care and all the best. Do a little study. Tomorrow is holiday, so basically we are spending the holidays, but don't make Saturday or Sunday also holiday now. Now Sunday is also a working day. Okay, all the best students. Thank you.